Hello everyone, this is Vishal. I'm a network and cybersecurity engineer. In this tutorial, I'll be talking about Ethernet frame. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like and subscribe my channel. In this tutorial, we'll be focusing on Ethernet frame as we see in the Wireshark packet capture. Usually, you will see two types of Ethernet frame in the Wireshark packet capture. One will be Unicast Ethernet frame and another one will be the broadcast Ethernet frame. So in this tutorial we will be talking about translating all the technical terms and definition of fields available in this packet capture. So we will start talking about with the Ethernet Blue. What is the Ethernet 2? So Ethernet 2 is the most common type of Ethernet frame that is in use today, and it is designed by DEC, Intel and Xerox. That's why you may sometime hear that people referring this Ethernet 2 as a DIX frame because it's designed by DEC, Intel and Xerox. And another field that we will see in this packet capture is the source MAC address. This is the MAC address of the host from where this Ethernet frame is coming from or created. And another one we'll see is the destination MAC address. This is the MAC address of the destination host or receiver. Why I say here as a host is because the destination can be a single host or maybe multiple hosts, and broadcast or maybe multicast Ethernet frames. And let's talk about the LG bit. If the LG bit is set to 0, the MAC address is globally unique address, factory default. If it is set to 1, which means the MAC address is locally administered address, this is not the factory default. So usually what does that mean is this globally unique address, factory default address is when you buy an Ethernet card or maybe Wi-Fi module or your PC, you will see this MAC address in your box, which is defined by the manufacturer of your Ethernet or Ethernet card or Wi-Fi card. And this sometimes this MAC address can also be changed with software available in Windows or Linux. You can change this manually. So if your operating system detects that you have changed or modified the MAC address of this network adapter, then when the Ethernet frame is built, it will be set this LG bit as 1. So the receiver can recognize this MAC address is not the actual MAC address of the device, rather than it's a locally administered or manually created MAC address. So another field that we will see in the packet capture will be the ING bit. If the ING bit is set to 0, the MAC address is individual address as in unicast, and if it is set to 1, the MAC address is the group address, or group address can be multicast or broadcast. In a broadcast packet, it will be sending to all the hosts in the network and local area network, and then if it is multicast, it will be sending to particular subsets of hosts in the network or LAN networks. And there is another field you will see in the packet capture, which is the 2-byte field, which used to indicate, which protocol is encapsulated inside the payload. For example, let's go back to our packet capture sample. So here you see this type field, which is defined as Ethernet. So after this source and destination, the whatever inside this payload will be IPv4 packets. So okay, I will show you some example about this ether type fields. The following ether types fields can be found in the Wireshark capture. When you do the troubleshooting in the network, or you're trying to observe or learn more about this networking. So in the type field, sometimes you will see the IPv4, sometimes you will see the IPv6, and sometimes you will see the wake on LAN. This is usually not command to use. Honestly, I also never used this before. And ARP, you will see that also. And if it is encapsulated with the Tawanq VLAN, you can also see the 802 Tawanq VLAN. And then if it is the ISIS protocol, you will see the shortest path bridging. And if it is maybe Ethernet flow control is configured or something, you will see the MAC control option there. And if the LLDP is enabled in your network, you will see this 802.1 link layer discovery protocol LLDP. And if there is a Ether channel protocol like LLCP is configured, you will see the solo protocols. If the MPLS is running in your network, you will see the MPLS. And if the TOR1X configuration is configured in your network, you will see the TOR1X. And maybe if it is a subway provider network, sometimes they use this TOR1Q tunnel or QNQ tunnel. So you will be able to see this as well. And if the MAC address security is configured in your network, you will see the MAC address in this type field. And if it is the storage area network, you may even see this FCOE initialization protocol in the packet header. Okay, so that's it, and this is about the today video. So thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.